Brought to you today by Ticket IQ, the smartest ticket search. Okay, Pats pals, here's what's been going on since you got your last tip. In addition to Corey Coleman, Patriots also signed wide receiver person Benny Fowler and running back / returner Ken John Barner. Ken John Barner, come on down! You're the next contestant on Can You Field a Punt Cleanly? If your Pats appetite is still ravenous, here's some good Pats porn from NFL Films last Sunday. Pats win and Pats praise never get old. Nor do GOAT quotes about the Gronk. Meanwhile, thoughts and prayers up in Buffalo. Looks like things are turning a corner for Matt Patricia. And don't forget, NFL Fan Therapy's back in session.